Hello and welcome to Math 8. My name is Ms. Callett. It's not spelled like it sounds, but it rhymes with ballot and mallet. It's an easy way to remember it. So I bet you a lot of people in this class either really like math or math is their least favorite subject. So I'm going to tell you my goals for this semester. For those of you who'd rank your classes 1 to 7 and math is on the very bottom, my goal is to hopefully bump that up a little, maybe get to 4th or 5th on your list as a subject. For those of you who math is always your favorite, it's always your first or second favorite class, I hope I can keep you up there and enjoy this semester doing Math 8. You guys got to work with me, of course, so we can have some fun and we can learn everything you need to know to go on to algebra next year. So right now I'm going to just tell you a little bit about myself. I'm not going to have you guys introduce each of yourselves today, but I hope I can get to know you a little bit over the next couple of weeks. But today I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I grew up in New Mexico, so my hometown is Albuquerque. I love the Southwest. If you ever get a chance to visit New Mexico, you definitely should. It's an underrated and beautiful place in the United States. I did go to boarding school in Connecticut my last 2 years of high school, which was an interesting experience. And then I went to college in Michigan. I went to the University of Michigan and I majored in mathematics. After school, I did not become a teacher. I did move to the Washington, D.C. area and I worked for the Federal Reserve Board for a very long time. So the central bank of the United States, which you will learn about when you take NSL or when you take economics. You'll learn all about how that works. It was a fantastic job, fantastic career experience. I worked there for quite a while. And while I was there, I got a master's in computer science from Johns Hopkins. So probably not the kind of thing you guys do in computer science now, but it was an interesting experience as well. As far as teaching experience, I've taught lots of different levels of kids, from really little ones, elementary school kids, your age, and even graduate students in statistics. But your age is my favorite, and here I am to teach you some math. The things I'm interested in outside of the school, my number one favorite thing is to travel. I love traveling. I have 3 kids of my own who are all finishing high school or in college, and I love spending time with them and traveling with them. When I was your age in middle school and high school, I ran cross country. That was my only sport I ever did. And I still run to this day, so I also like to do that in my free time. So that's a little bit about me, and I hope to find out a little bit more about each of you as the year goes on. So welcome, and let's get started.